First of all, thanks for being part of this video. In this video, we are going to see the day 43 daily score booster questions. And I'm doing this 43 daily score booster questions with the actual speed that required in exams. I'm not explaining for today. Uh, Before starting, if you are new to my channel, please do like, share and subscribe and click on the bell icon to get instant notification about my videos. Let's see what the speed we need. Percentage double zeros cancel 2 4 10 to 2 times 4 to 4 times 8 4 16 and 15 16 and 5 times 4 400. Okay, 484 here 1 4 to 110 plus 17 into 22 divided by 10. We get 34 and 77.4. So we get 4 1. This will be 10 13 5 6 6 3 1.4. Option A is our answer. Next, this is 7 250 plus this will be 3 5 times 15 3 7 times 21 22 5 minus this will be 250 plus 1 into 24. This will be 625 600 6000 plus 24 6024. So 6024 we need to minus. Here we get 7 10 5. This will be 5 5507 and this is 6024. In between difference, this will be 7 1. This will be 5 minus 517 is our answer. Option C is our answer. Here it is 60 plus 7 60 minus 7, so 60 square 3600 minus 7 square 49, so 3551 plus here it is 40 plus 2 40 minus 2, so 40 square 1600 minus 4, which will be 1596. So 3551 plus 1596 minus 13 5 times is 65, 13 9 times 117 plus 6 117 plus 6 123. So plus this will be 700 plus 35 735. So we get a 735 minus 1235. 5 eliminated, we left with unit is in 7 3, so left with 14 and we need to eliminate 2. We get a 15 16. Okay, next here eliminating 3 and we get a 4 4 6 4 7 is our answer. Option A is our answer. Next, fourth question, 25 1 times is 25. We get 5 plus 3 8 87. 87 means 3 times 75 and 125 means 5 times. So 135 from this one. 4 15 times 60 and 4 times 154 154 6 2 times 6 1 time 6 3 times, so 213. This will be 175. So we get 10 plus 7 17 9 plus 8 17. This will be 6. So answer will be option A 677. Next one is, here it is 2/3 divided by 3 3 into 240 will be divided by 3 into 240, which means 80, which will be we get 160 from this one. This is 14 to 14.28 percentage. So 2 by 7 into 840, so it will be 120 times 120 times, so we get 240. This will be 417, so we get 7 10 11. This will be 6 plus 1 6 plus 2 8 817 is our answer. Option C is our answer. Now we are going to see quadratic equations. Here I can see 4 table. 4 1 times is 4, 7 times is 28 and 7 times, so 7 4 times is 28 and 11. No, 7 2 times 14 and 11 2 times 22, and we got 36. So the roots are 22 and 14. Plus and plus means the roots are negative. This is 168. 14 12 times is 168. Plus, so minus means minus and plus. Now comparing these two, it is clear that x is lesser than or equals to y. Now second question. Here it is 2 into 112 will be 224. 224 means 16. 14 times is 224 minus and plus and plus. Here 48. 8 6 times is 48. Minus and plus means plus and plus. To make the base equal, we need to multiply this with 2 plus 12 plus 16. Now by comparing these two, it is clear that this 14 comes in between these two numbers. So x is greater than y and x lesser than y comes here. So there is no relation in this two equations. Next, x equals to root over 441, which will be 21. Here it is y value is 6859 whole cube, means 19 cube. So by comparing these two, x is greater than y. Next, here it is 10x square minus 35x plus 15 equals to 0. 10y square minus plus 16y plus 6 equals to 0. Before that, here we have minus and plus, plus and plus. So these are positive roots, these are negative roots. X greater than y. Let's see in this case. Here also we see plus and plus, minus and plus. So the roots here are minus, these roots are positive. So x lesser than y. Now we are going to see wrong number series. Wrong number series, first question. Here it is into 2 times. It is into 3 times. It must be into 4 times. 4 times is 16, 8 4 32 33. So it is into 4 times. So it must be into 5 times. But 17 5 times is not 84. So our wrong number is this one. It must be into 6 times. 28 6 times is 168, not 170. So our wrong number is 170. Next, here we'll see the differences. 4 9. Here the difference is 15. Here the difference is 232. Okay, here it is 64. Now I see these are the square numbers. 2 square, 3 square, 8 square. These are not prime number squares. If we take 4 5, you cannot able to write 8 square. So these are not squares. Then I know this as 2 square. This is 2 power 5, 2 power 6. So this must be 2 cube. This must be 2 power 4. 8 and 16. So these are the wrong numbers. So this is our wrong number. Next one. Here the difference is 111. Here the difference is 222. Okay, 222. Here the difference is 6 3 4. Here the difference is 6 9 8. Here the difference is 6 7 7 1. I know these numbers. 2 222 double times will be 444. 444 double times will be 888. 888 double times will be 1776. So these two are wrong numbers. So wrong number is this one. Next one. Here the difference is 53. Here the difference is 57. Here the difference is 63. Okay, here the difference is 67. Here the difference is 31 plus 40, 71. So these are prime numbers, but these two are not prime numbers. So our wrong number is this one. Now we are going to see fifth question. Here the difference is 16. Here the difference is 64. Here the difference is 144. Here the difference is 252. Okay, here the difference is 404. These are square numbers, but these two are not square numbers. It is 4 square, 8 square, 12 square. So it must be 16 square and it must be 20 square. So these are wrong numbers. So our wrong number is this one. Now we are going to see missing number series. First question. Here we're going to see the differences. Here the difference is 6 1 2 plus 2 1 6. Here minus 3 4 3. Okay, 6 cube 7 cube. Here 1000. So 10 cube. It must be 8 cube. It must be 9 cube. This will be plus 512 minus 729. So 249 plus 512, which will be 167, 761. Option B is our answer. Next, here it is clear that into 1 minus 2. into 2 minus 3. Here it is 39 becomes 5 times 9, 5 times 45, and 15 plus 4 19 minus 6. So this must be into 3 minus 4. It is into 4 minus 5. 5 3 times 15, 15 minus 4 11, 11 4 times 44 minus 5, which will be 30, 39. So answer will be 11. Option D is our answer. Next, third question. Here it is the difference between these two is 11. Here the difference is 13. Here the difference is 15. Here the difference is 7 1 9 17. So these are odd numbers, so we will take 19. 69 plus 19 will be 88. So answer will be 88. Option C is our answer. Next, here we see plus 3 minus 6. Here the difference is plus 15. These are three factors, so it must be plus 9 minus 12. 14 plus 9 will be 23. So 23 plus 23 minus 12 will be 11. So answer will be 23. Option D is our answer. Next, fifth question. Here I can clearly see that 27 4 times will be 7 4 times 28, 8 plus 2 10 plus 4. Here if we take 8 3 times 24 plus 3 times into 3 plus 3 into 4 plus 4 into 5 plus 5, 55 and 60 565 plus 5, 560 plus 5 565, okay, into 6 plus 6 30 plus 6, okay, it must be into 7 plus 7, 7 6 times 42. So adding 7 we get 9, 7 9 times 63 and 4 7 7 3 times 21 and is 4, we get 7, and 7 3 times we get 23 and 22 3 7 double 9 2 3s double 7 9. Option C is our answer. Now we are going to see inequalities. First question. Here in this concept we use the concept called flow method. If we see a symbol like this, I always say the flow from this side to this side. If we see a symbol like this, the flow from this side to this side. Let's see with the conclusions. First one, the flow from A to K. From A we cannot able to reach to K. First one false. Second one, D to B with everywhere equals to. From D we can reach to B but not equal to here, so false. Second question, first conclusion, from A to V. A to V not possible. V to A, it is also not possible. A greater lesser equals to, so answer is either 1 or 2. Next, third one, V to U. From V we cannot able to reach to U. First conclusion will be false. Second conclusion, E to C with equal to, E to C with equal to true. Fourth one, the flow from A to N. From A we can reach to U and W, W to N, so first one is true. Second one, L to P with everywhere equals to. From L we can reach to W and to P with equal to, true. Fifth one, O to N. From O we can reach to V and B. From B we can reach to N, so first one is true. Second one, the flow from M to A. From M we can reach to N but not able to reach to A, so second one is false. Now we are going to see syllogisms. First question, only a few mobiles are cell. Only cell is iPad is inside dark. Some laptop or mobile. Conclusion, some cell can be laptop. Cell laptop can, yes, it is possible. First one is true. Second one, no, iPad is a mobile. Some iPad can be mobile, some part of iPad mobile. No. Second conclusion is false. Wait. Some case fails, so no case is true. So second conclusion is true. Next, only a few river or sea. Few oceans are water, no water is sea. Few oceans are water. Conclusions. All ocean being sea is a possibility. All oceans being sea is a possibility. No, first one is false. Second one, some river can never be. All river can be water. No, all case fails means some not case will be true. Next, third one, only a few England or Russia. Only a few England or Russia. All Russia, China. No, China is Japan. First conclusion, no, Russia is Japan. Some part of Russia can share with Japan. No. Second one, so it is true. Some case fails means no case will be true. Some England may be China. Some part of England may be sharing with China. Yes, it is already sharing, but it is saying maybe. So second conclusion will be false. Fourth question. Only a few computer is history. All English are history. So English in inside history. No English is Hindi. Conclusions. All computer may be English. All computer can be inside English. No, it is not possible. So first conclusion is false. Second conclusion. No history is Hindi. Some part of history can share with Hindi. So second conclusion will be some case possible means no case will false. Fifth one. All A R B. Only a few CRB. Few CRD. Let's see conclusions. Some ARD. No, first one is false. No, A is D. Some part can be shared. So second one is false. Some no case and AX and DX. So it is either 1 or 2 is the answer for this question. Now we are going to see a reasoning puzzle. Month based reasoning puzzle. Okay. First one, given that 7 people born in different months: January, March, April, July, September, November, December. January, March, April, July, September, November, December. Okay. Next, no two people were born in the same month. Only 2 people were born between P and V. P and V, only 2 people born. U was born 2 people after V. Means this one. As many people were born between U and R as after T. U and R as after T. Q was born not before T. So after T, Q was born. Next, S was born in the month having 31 days. So 31 days, 31 days, 30 days, 31 days, 30 days, 30 days, and 31 days. So yes, place must be either here or here or here or here. And said that P was born immediately before S. There is no place for P, so this case fails. P was born immediately before S, so this one. In this case, P here. P was born immediately before S, so we got 3 possibilities. Now we are using these rough statements and solving our puzzle. Here we have P. From P we can write V. Cannot able to place 1 2. This is a place for V. 1 2. This is a place for V. 1 2 V. Okay, this one is completed. From V we can write U. V dash U. In this case we cannot able to write V, so this case fails. This case fails. Next, in this case we place U here. Okay, this is also completed. If we have U and R in between same as T, if we place 1 2 R here, 1 2 T here, so if it is placed for R, this is placed for T in this case, and T below is Q, so here the place for Q. So we got a solution of our puzzle. And let's see one more possibility also. If there is any problem, if place is here 1 2 3, let's place R here, three people between them, 1 2 3, T below is 3, and there is no place for Q below T, so this case fails. So we're left with only one possibility. Let's see the solution questions that are asked for our puzzle. Q was born in which of the following month? Q was born in December. Q was born in December. So first one answer is option B. Next, second question. Who among the following person was immediately born before R? Immediately before R means yes. So we check B and D here. The one who was born in July. No. The one who born two people before V. 1 2, yes. So it is talking about yes. So answer will be option D. Third question. Which of the following pair of people was born in consecutive months? UQ. Yes. S and V. No. S and R. S. So our answer will be option E. Both A and C are right. Next, who among the following people was born in September? In September, T was born. Option C is the answer. Next, fifth one. If all the people are made in alphabetical order from January, then how many are the same as before? Starting from here, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V. So we have common of these four. So there are four people remains unchanged. Option D is our answer. Option D. By this we have completed today's daily score booster questions. If you are new to my channel, please do like, share and subscribe and click on the bell icon to get instant notification about my videos. Thanks for watching.